This is the ultimate desert off-grid base camp for any expedition. It's packed with all the comforts, functionality, and adventure-ready features you need. Hey everyone, Zach here with ADF Sprinters, and today we're showcasing a really cool build called the Baja Basecamp. It's for a couple that loves going to Baja. They race competitively in the Baja 1000 and actually just took this van out and won first place. Let's take a look inside this van and see what makes it so awesome. All right, so we're inside the Baja Basecamp and we wanted to showcase how this van is laid out. It's designed to have, a little bit of comfort. So we have this little seating area up front with this single person side-facing lap bench seat. And of course you can swivel around the captain's chairs. We added this nice flip-up countertop here that extends the countertop with our solid surface material. And then of course we have our appliance stack over here. So we have our convection oven air fryer combo microwave, as well as an isotherm 195 fridge freezer combo. And then of course, to round out the kitchen, we have an induction cooktop in here, which can be set out and plugged into the pop-up outlet on the countertop, along with the sink here. So another element that the customers wanted to incorporate into the van was have a really elaborate sound system. We have this awesome flat-mounted subwoofer underneath this side-facing bench seat, as well as a bunch of extra speakers in the back doors, as well as in the main cabin area. So what camper van conversion wouldn't be complete without a huge bathroom that includes a shower, so it's a full wet bath. In the shower, we have our signature telescoping expandable bathroom that has these double doors. So we have our custom fabricated aluminum pans that fit onto the shower floor, so all the water gets diverted into the drains. All right, as you guys might have been able to tell from the thumbnail, that this van was built and designed around motocross bikes. In the back here, we have a fully functional garage with a Euroloft platform bed that rises and lowers with the touch of a button. So it transforms from a king-size bed to a fully functional storage and repair area for your motorbikes, and it's a great dual-use area space, so let's check it out. So as a bed, this is the biggest Euroloft platform bed we've ever built. It's about 90 inches long from head to toe, so about a king-size bed. And of course, it has this beautiful wood slatted ceiling, which we have matching underneath the platform itself. So when the platform's up against the ceiling for garage mode, you can still enjoy that beautiful woodwork. Another key design element that we had to incorporate on behalf of the customer was keeping the van nice and cool or hot depending on the climate that they were in. Not only to keep them nice and comfortable, but also to keep their furry friends nice and comfortable as well. So we went with our full 3-stage insulation package with a cork subfloor and Havelock wool in the walls and ceilings. And then of course, to keep the van cool, we have this nice ceiling vent fan that can pull air up and or into the van. And of course, to keep things cool when it really gets hot, we have our Premier Turbo 2 AC unit. So given the nature of this van going into Baja, Mexico, you have sandy roads, you got wash basins, you need to be able to air down your tires as well as adjust the air in your motorbike. So we included an onboard air compressor with 2 ports. So you got one in the back here as well as one on the slider door. We also have a shower port here for a handheld shower that has both hot and cold water. So to keep this bad boy powered up, we went with 3 Game Changer Battleborn batteries for a total of 810 amp hours, along with a 2000 watt inverter, keeps everything nice and powered up in this van. So in order to keep the van nice and durable when you're taking bikes in and out, along with all your motocross gear, ramps, tools, we lined the bottom half of our walls and wheel well boxes, as well as our rear doors with our durable lawn seal floor. This is great because it's easy to clean, it's super durable, it's got texture. And then of course we inlaid some L-track into the floor so we can attach those bikes with those wheel chocks up over there. All right, let's check out the exterior of this beast. We have a Katoon front bumper with a bull bar for some nice LP9s from Baja Design. And of course we have our worn Xenon winch with a synthetic rope there for all your recovery needs. All right, coming along the side here, we have some Ridge Grappler wheels over some Method race wheels. And to complete the suspension up front, we have these King shocks, a nice light array of 6 Baja Design LP6s. On the doors, we have a bunch of accessories from Alvans. We have our Expedition tire carrier, along with our Sherpa mounts for our monster box here. Along the other side, we have our in-house made aluminum side ladder. All right, up top here on the Baja Basecamp, we have our roof rack. In the middle, we got our ceiling vent fan with rain temperature sensor, as well as a beefy RoamSat Starlink system for Wi-Fi, just about everywhere. And then in the front, we have 300 watts of Zamp solar. All right, everyone, so that's the Baja Basecamp. As you can see, this van was built and designed from the ground up with motocross in mind, just like the customer requested. So as you can see, we're fully tailored around your custom experiences and everything that you're looking for to get out of your van conversion. If you or someone else you know is looking for a custom van building experience, hit us up at adfsprinters.com or check out all of our social media channels, which are all at ADF Sprinters. Thanks for stopping by, guys. See you on the next one.